Hey guys, something a little different today. You know, I usually show you guys kayak content, but today, I have a couple hours, run down to the river. Just gonna do a little bit of, one pole, one backpack on. Just gonna run down here and see what we can run into. So, man, come on along, it's gonna be fun. Guys, it was a great day out there, man. I had a lot of fun. I've only had a couple hours to get out there. A little cold fronts moving through, real slow, so I think it kind of kept the bike going a little longer than normal. Overcast skies, and it was really all about fishing seams out there. So much of fishing is about finding current seams, just seams in general, different types of seams, whether it's calm water, moving water, pushing water. There's just so much about it, and hopefully I got everything in the video that I think I did. It's a great time to be out in the water. It's just now starting to cool off. Guys, girls, people, anglers, get out there and get some.